Today in the shop, we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max that needs a new screen and a new back glass. But the customer only wants to replace the screen, so let's get straight into it. Firstly, I'm going to remove the two pentalobe screws holding the screen down. After that, I'll pour some isopropyl alcohol so the adhesive softens and it's easier to remove. Now I'll get a blade and pop the screen open. Once an opening has been created, I can use a guitar pick and safely remove the rest of the screen. Once the screen has been removed from the frame, I will be removing the shield covering the battery connector and the screen cable. Once that's been removed, I can safely disconnect the battery and the screen cable. After that, I will be removing the shield covering the earpiece flex cable and also disconnecting that. Once the cables have been safely disconnected, now the screen is free from the frame. Now, the most important part of this repair, safely removing the earpiece flex cable from the old screen, as it helps Face ID function properly. If it's damaged, most likely your Face ID won't function. Again, I'm going to be using some isopropyl alcohol so the adhesive softens up and it's easier to remove. Once that's been removed, we can prep a new screen. Now I can reinstall the earpiece speaker on the new screen. Here, the customer chose a soft OLED screen, which we always recommend to all of our customers because the colors are closer to the original and the touch feels much better compared to in-cell screens. Now we can reconnect the battery connector and the screen cable. And after that, the earpiece flex cable. As you can see, the screen is lighting up, but the phone needs to be charged. Now, the phone can be safely removed from the phone holder. The new screen can now be installed into the frame, and the two pentalobe screws can also be rescrewed. And here's the final result. Also, every screen replacement comes with a free screen protector. If you want to get your device repaired with us, you can find the details in the description below.